Are you feeling sluggish and tired all the time? Do you need a quick energy boost to get through your day? Look no further. This amazing bean salad recipe is packed with protein, fiber, and vitamins to give you the energy lift you need. Made with a variety of colorful beans, crunchy veggies, and a tangy dressing, this salad is not only delicious but also incredibly healthy. Watch to learn how to make this easy and nutritious bean salad that will keep you going all day long. Join me as I challenge myself to whip up the most energizing bean salad ever and see if it really boosts my energy. Today I want to talk about something that I think we can all relate to: feeling sluggish and tired all the time. You know, when you're dragging yourself out of bed in the morning and all you want to do is crawl back under the covers? Yeah, I've been there too. But what if I told you there's a super simple way to boost your energy levels and get you feeling like you're on top of the world? It's all about incorporating a delicious and nutritious bean salad into your daily routine. We've all been there, right? You're in the middle of a busy day and suddenly you're hit with a wall of fatigue. You can't concentrate, you're tired, and all you want to do is take a nap. And let's be real, who has time for that? We need energy, and we need it fast. That's why it's so important to have healthy snack options on hand. But the problem is, a lot of us don't know where to start. We're stuck in a rut, relying on convenience foods that are high in sugar and low in nutrients. I know I've been guilty of it in the past, grabbing a bag of chips or a sugary energy drink to get me through the day. But the thing is, those quick fixes might give us a temporary energy boost, but they're not doing our bodies any favors in the long run. And that's why I'm so excited to share this recipe with you today. This bean salad is packed with nutrients and protein, and it's going to give you sustained energy that lasts all day long. The other problem is that a lot of us don't know how to make healthy snacks that are quick and easy. We think it's going to take hours in the kitchen, or that we need to be some kind of culinary expert. But trust me, this bean salad is a game changer. It's easy to make, it's customizable, and it's perfect for snacking on the go. Now, let's talk about the ingredients that are going to make this bean salad so amazing. First, we've got our protein-packed black beans. These little guys are a powerhouse of nutrition, and they're going to give us sustained energy throughout the day. Next up, we've got our diced tomatoes, which are bursting with vitamin C and lycopene. And then there's our chopped cilantro, which is a natural detoxifier and anti-inflammatory. We're also adding in some nutritious chickpeas, which are high in fiber and protein. And of course, no bean salad would be complete without some crunchy red onion and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. The combination of these ingredients is just magic. They all work together to create a dish that's both nourishing and delicious. And the best part is, you can customize it to your taste preferences. Add in some diced bell peppers or some chopped avocado for some extra creaminess. Okay, so now that we've got our ingredients, let's talk about how to put it all together. The great thing about this recipe is that it's essentially just a matter of throwing everything into a bowl and mixing it up. You can do it in under 10 minutes, which is perfect for those busy mornings or afternoons when you need a quick energy boost. As I'm making this salad, I can already feel my energy levels rising. The colors, the textures, the flavors, it's all just so vibrant and alive. And the best part is, it's not just a one-time deal. This salad is going to give me sustained energy all day long, and it's going to keep me going back for more. So there you have it, the most energizing bean salad ever. I hope you're as excited to try it out as I am. Remember, this recipe is all about having a nutritious and delicious snack option on hand to help boost your energy levels and get you feeling like yourself again. And if you do try out this recipe, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some of your favorite bean salad variations? Do you have any tips for quick and easy snack options that are healthy and nutritious? Let's chat. Thank you so much for watching. If you've got a wellness journey that you'd like to share, please leave a comment below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more health-related content. Let's thrive together.